Welcome to Jazzy Chair Yoga. Time to stretch and get moving. Let's begin seated. Taking nice big deep breaths in through the nose. And as you exhale, release out through the nose. Positive energy coming in and just letting go as you exhale. Placing our hands on our knees, we'll just rise up through the toes and press down to the heels. Lifting through the foot and down. Rolling up through the ball of the foot and press. Starting to warm up those ankles. Now let's lift the toes up and down. So press up and down. Strengthening those shin muscles in the front. Stretching our left leg out, we'll point, flex, and bring the foot down. Right foot stretches out, point, flex, and bring the foot down. And we'll alternate and down. A great way to start improving our circulation, moving the body, feeling good. Bring our left knee into our chest and relax it down. Let's alternate with the right knee and down. Give yourself a big hug. Exhale. Inhale when you press down. Exhale, lifting up. And release down. On this one, we'll start to do some circles with our left ankle in one direction and then in the other direction. The foot comes down, let's alternate. Our right ankle in one direction and circles in the other direction. Take a nice big breath in as you exhale, turning to your left for a twist. Opening that chest, ears away from those shoulders, lengthening through the neck. We'll take a nice big breath in and twist gently to the right side. And back to the center. Focusing on our rib cage, pressing forward and retracting. Feel as though you're doing a cat-cow. Breathing in as we come forward, lifting through the chest, exhaling and releasing through the neck and spine. Now we go side to side with our rib cage. Hips are stable, just loosening the rib cage side to side. Let's go into a nice circle around to the right. As we come forward, you inhale and go back, exhale. Nice and easy. All these stretches should feel really good. And we'll go the other direction to the left. You never want to feel any strain. Focusing on that breath in and out. Shoulders come right up to those earlobes and press them down. So you exhale, lift. Inhale, lengthen. Again, up. Tight, tight, tight. And let go. Let's bring our neck over to the right side. So just dropping that head over to the right and gently to the center. And now the left ear drops to the left side. And center. Turning our gaze from left to right. And here comes Rosie to join us for some chair yoga. We'll bring that chin down. Exhale, inhale, lift. Exhale down and lift. Chest is lifted. Breathing deep. And center. Now let's just alternate the legs, like you're lifting one knee and the other, up and down. Now you can keep doing this, or if you feel strong enough, press straight up and sit yourself down. So pushing up, feeling grounded through the feet, and gently come down. Or you can stay seated and alternate those legs. Take a breath in and exhale. We're going to take a nice stretch over to the left side with that right arm reaching, and now let's alternate to the other side. Left arm comes up and down. Reaching through the rib cage, stretching up and release. Big inhale and exhale. So you can make your way up and walk around to the back of your chair and turn sideways, having your feet under your hips, pulling that belly in, shoulders down and back, lifting the right knee up and down, right knee up and down. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale. Taking the leg out to the side and down, lifting that knee. So we're opening the hip, up, down, up, down. Keeping the hips square, let's stretch that right leg back. Reach through the heel, toes pointing down. One more, and then we go back to the side, lifting up and down, up, down. One more. Nice big circles with that right hip. Just loosen the hip. Breathe into it, and the other direction. And then we'll turn to the other side. So make sure those feet are under your hips, toes are spread out. Pulling that belly in, we lift that left knee up and down. Up and down. And we take that leg to the side, up and down. Exhale, inhale. Working some of those lower abdominal muscles and our hips. Hips are square, stretch that left leg back. Lead with the heel. Keep the chest lifted, tightening those hamstrings, and we go back to the side. Two more, up and down, up and down. Nice big circles with the hip in one direction, and circles the other way. Perfect. Now make sure those feet are under those hips. We're going to go into our squats. So sitting back, keep that chest lifted. Big inhale. Exhale, sit down. And lift. Push through the feet. Feel grounded. Pushing straight up. Tucking that belly in. Last one. Perfect. We'll turn towards the chair. Taking a few steps back, let's stretch from the base of the spine through the rib cage, elongating our neck, and slowly rolling up through the spine, coming behind the chair. Up onto the balls of the feet, we lift those heels nice and high and down, pressing up and down, up and down. Feel that core working, staying strong. Stepping back with your right foot, hips tucked underneath you, a nice calf stretch. And we're going to change legs. So hips are square, stretching that left leg back, opening the chest, press that heel down. And let's do that again with the right, hips tucked underneath, shoulders away from those ears. One last time. Let's take a nice stretch with that right arm over to the left side and down. Big inhale to the other side and down. And we'll walk around to our seat again. Making sure those feet are planted. We'll do a few shoulder rolls. Just open that chest. Take a big breath, inhale and exhale down. Big breath in, exhale down. Last one, and down. Namaste.